Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you two simple methods to fix the Steam disk write error that can appear when you're trying to download, update, or launch a game. I'll also show you a bonus method at the end, so make sure you stay until the end. First, close Steam completely. Now click the Windows search box and type Steam. Right-click Steam and select Open File Location. You'll see the Steam shortcut. Right-click it and select Properties. Now go to the Compatibility tab. Here, look for Run this program as an administrator and check the box. Click Apply, then click OK. Now open Steam again and try downloading or launching your game. If the disk write error was caused by a permissions problem, this should resolve it. However, if you're still getting the same error, move on to the second method. Open Steam and click Steam in the top left corner. Select Settings, then go to Downloads. Find the Clear Download Cache option and click it. Steam may restart and ask you to sign in again, so simply log back into your account. Next, go back into Steam settings and select Storage. Choose the drive where your game is installed. Click the three dots next to the drive and select Repair Library. Allow Steam to complete the repair process. Once it's finished, restart Steam and try launching or updating your game again. Bonus method: install Visual C++ Redistributable. If you're still experiencing the disk write error, make sure your computer has the required Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable packages installed. Go to Microsoft's official website and download the appropriate Visual C++ Redistributable package, such as the x64 version for a 64-bit Windows system. Install it, restart your PC, and then open Steam again. So, to quickly recap, run Steam as administrator, clear the download cache, repair your Steam library, and make sure your Visual C++ redistributables are installed. Hopefully one of these methods helped you fix the Steam disk write error. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.